What's up, my kitty babies, and welcome back to my channel. What's up, kitty babies? In today's video I will be doing a kind of daily vlog with me. I'm going to be going to some fireworks with my friends. Don't know what the title will be, but that's what today is. It's just a vlog, day in the life, kind of day in the chill life, something kind of like that, similar in those lines. But you'll just be getting ready with me to go to see some fireworks. Before I get into the video furthermore, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you share it with your mammy and your peppy. Once you're done sharing it with all of them, making sure they all go show love to my most recent videos, my Shein haul and my Barcelona concert. Once y'all done did that, come back to this video, check me out, subscribe, and become one of my kitty babies. And I didn't forget, make sure you tap that bell to get notified every time KYNNIEBABIES posts, because who don't want to see KYNNIEBABIES post? Oh, no more talking, y'all. I'm literally, because my head been hurting, but knock on wood that it's gonna feel better. I'm probably gonna take some more medicine for it, but that's why I just been chilling. Like, I was watching KYNNIEBABIES do him riding his 50 players or whatever on Ride Wave Elite. I was just chilling real hard, but it's time to get ready. Alrighty guys, so out the shower, this is my like pre-fit, because I didn't want to eat and like chill and sit in my fit. Y'all, my face is kind of trying to break out and I'm not with it. I'm about to make some pizza rolls. Now before I make these pizza rolls, I'm going to take my dog out because I think he really needs to go out. I'm going to take my dog out. I'll record it or not, I don't know. And then I'm going to make some pizza rolls while I'm waiting to finish up watch my video, eat my pizza rolls, finishing up my video. Then I'm going to put my fit on. Then I'm gonna come back in this bedroom, and yeah, I'm gonna do everything. I'm gonna do everything. Accessories, club, all of that. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, so right now I'm just finna moisturize my hair. Like, I need to oil my scalp, and I'm also gonna do my edges. I'm just gonna lay everything down. I always take my mini edge control like with me, because like if I start sweating, I got the edge control on deck. But I'm gonna start off with my ego. Do that first. We got this scarf, this on my neck. So I'm going to oil my scalp first. Go do the loose. So basically, I need to hurry up because my friend just told me that the ride or whatever to a certain destination in order to go to the fireworks is on the way. So we got these pink shoes. Yeah, this is the fit. We'll be posting pictures, I don't know when, but make sure you are following all my socials on the screen. I'll put them on the screen, and they're also in the description of every video I post. And yeah, y'all, I'm gonna speed this up and put music over because girl, I'm in a rush. You know, talking boy. Hey guys, what? Ew, you said whatever. Hey guys, I'm with my homegirl now, just waiting to go to fireworks. I was rushed, but like here's anyways, Y'all saw the fit, but I added glasses. And then my other homegirl in the cut. Say hey to my kitty babies. Hey guys. Fit check. Fit check. Not the socks, but you know. Hey. But yeah, guys, I want to do a vlog because I need more stuff to post. I'm on my grind. I'm consistent. I'm grinding. Probably just gonna record when I feel like I need to record and record when I feel like it's gonna be something entertaining going on. But we're just chilling right now and taking pictures, being cute, you know, being girls. And yeah. See y'all later. Alright y'all, so leaving fireworks. I took pictures. On the way back we got some I got some snacks and we're on the way home. Well, I'm gonna go to our mom's car and then like I'm gonna go home. It's so dark, y'all. Like I don't have no light. It's so dark, y'all, but yeah, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was really just real calm. Just the fireworks, that's all. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this or just my other content that I post. And after everybody, I say, see you on the flip side.